Hello guys, how are you? I'm back with another challenge, challenge in JavaScript. Okay, here we will do a challenge which is finding a largest digit in a number, and you will have a number containing multiple digits, and you will loop through that number uh, as we have been doing in the previous challenges. If you haven't watched the previous videos, please go and watch it. You will understand what we are doing here. Okay, and you will track the maximum number or maximum digit, then you will return it from a function. Okay, so problem statement is here: given a number, determine the largest digit present inside it. So you will have a number, you may have a number containing multiple digits, like here you have 1 5 8 2 7, and maximum digit, the largest digit is 8, and you have to do this thing like this. Okay, what this problem teaches you: tracking maximum value, you will track maximum value. Comparison inside loops, you will compare the current value with the maximum value. You have created outside the loop a variable, you have created a variable. Okay, and then state maintenance, you will maintain the state. What state you will maintain in this problem? You will create a maximum variable, max value or max digit, and initialize it with 0. That's the state maintenance. You will loop through, and you will store the current digit. If it is greater than the max digit, you will store it inside the max digit. So that's the state maintenance, and you will track the maximum digit, max value. Digit extraction logic, we have been doing it over and over again in the previous challenges. Why initialization matters, and edge case thinking, the thinking that we have been thinking in the last challenges. A number is made of individual digits. You know it well, everyone knows it. A number is made of digits. If we extract digits one by one and keep comparing them, we can find the largest digit. That's a simple thing. If we, it's saying that we will extract the digit, and if we keep that doing, each digit we get, and we can compare that to maximum max digit we created above, and we can find the largest digit. That's so simple. The logic is in remembering the biggest digit seen so far. So we have to remember the biggest or largest digit we track in the loop. Okay. Look at each digit one by one. Keep updating the biggest digit found. That's a simple problem. Here is the algorithm, plain English algorithm. Steps you will follow, and it will help you write this problem easily. So let's do it. Start it. Uh, What do you think we should use? We should use a functional approach or non-functional approach? We will use a function, okay? Function, uh, largest digit. We will have a number, okay? Now we will initialize max digit with 0. So let max digit initialize 0. Now what we will do? We will extract the last digit using modulus operator. So we will use the while loop. While num is greater than 0, and let's get the digit or extract the digit. We have extracted the last digit. We have digit, we can say that we have remainder, which is last digit of the number, and we can compare it with max digit. If it is greater than that, we can reinitialize. Then we can assign the digit into max digit. Okay, if digit is greater than max digit, max digit is equal to digit. That is so simple. Okay. Now we need to remove the last digit because we have to loop through it until number becomes zero. Now you can return max digit. Let's check it. Console log. Open the terminal and run the file, run the program using Node.js. What is the file name? Just digit js. Is the largest digit 5 to 54214? Yes, it is 5. Let's remove the 5 digit number 5, and now we have 4. Let's add 9. Hope we will get 9. Yes, we are getting. What if you have 0 here? It's We can return, we can compare. If the number is 0, we can return 0, or we can leave it as it is, because by default it will return 0 if number is 0. And let's try it here. If number is equal to 0, what is this boundary? Return. If the number is 0, then it will return from here. It will not go further in the program. Okay, what if you have a minus number, negative number? That is the problem. Because this is the problem of writing the code, the best practices. So best practice is to convert the negative number into a positive number. So how you will do it? Here you can do it. You can use a math object, math class, which is by default available in JavaScript, and it has ABS function or method to turn a negative number into a positive number. So we can do it. Num is equal to math.abs num. Negative. Now we can run it. We get 8. What if I don't convert it into positive number? What you will expect? You will get it here 0, because by default it's less than 0, and when it becomes 0, it returns 0. So this is not a good practice. You have to do it. You may expect input as a negative number. So the problem, or the I mean the best practice is to convert the negative number into a positive number. So here we have done another challenge. Hope you will understand it, and I hope you have understood it, and you will write better code. You have more ideas to write logics. These problems are purely on based on the numbers. We will do more problems uh, related to strings, arrays, and objects in the coming videos. So stay with us. Please subscribe and like the video. And thank you for watching the video.